Ever wondered how to create your own website? Whether it's for a personal blog, a small business, or an e-commerce store, creating a website may seem like a daunting task. But fear not, it's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Choosing the right platform. Think of the platform as the foundation of your website. There are numerous platforms available, each with its own set of features and functionalities. WordPress, for instance, is a popular choice due to its flexibility and ease of use. Next, understanding basic web design principles. A well-designed website is not only appealing to the eye, but also easy to navigate. Consider the layout, color schemes, and user interface design. Remember, the goal is to provide a smooth and enjoyable experience for your visitors. Moving on to selecting a domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. It's what people type into their browser to find you. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Once you've chosen a domain name, it's time to look into hosting options. Web hosting is like renting a space on the internet where your website lives. There are different types of hosting services available, so choose one that best fits your needs and budget. Now that we've covered the basics, let's do a quick recap. First, choose the right platform. This is the foundation of your website, so choose wisely. Next, understand and apply basic web design principles to create a user-friendly website. Then, select a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Finally, find a hosting service that suits your needs and budget. Remember, creating a website doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create a website that's not only visually appealing, but also functional and user-friendly. So, why wait? Start creating your own website today. After all, the internet is a vast place and there's plenty of room for everyone.